Place the snore sensor 1 cm next to the trachea on the neck. Secure the sensor in place using medical tape. Bend the lead and secure it to the neck. Pull the rip belt and adjust it to a comfortable, proper length. Place the chest rip belt under the arms. Place the abdominal rip belt at the level of the iliac crest. Adjust the belt to a comfortable, snug fit. Connect the rip belt cables. Secure the connection with medical tape. Place the body position sensor on the chest belt, at the center of the chest. More info, Ceresenso.com.